Hi everyone and hello my crochet lovers. How are you? Hope you will be fine. In this video I am sharing with you crochet dollies, and I think crochet dollies are heart of crochet work. Spiral look, elegant designs and beautiful patterns of crochet dollies. I like so much, and I specially selected two beautiful ideas and designs for all my crochet friends. I hope you like it. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, like the video and press the bell icon. And for more crochet designs and ideas, you can visit my description box.